Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, my 2014 Wrangler JKU. I'm going to show you how to safely remove the airbag, which is from the steering wheel. And you may want to do that if you want to get access to change out these buttons in the steering wheel. If your Jeep is so equipped with one of the most important things, of course, is that you have to disconnect the negative battery. Because the last thing you want to do is play around with the airbags when they're powered up, because it just might go off in your face. I have a dual battery setup and it's disconnected. So on the steering wheel, on each side, there's one right there. And on the opposite side, right there, you want to remove those two bolts. And they are a 10mm. I got it loose. There's one. All right, both screws are out. This should very carefully lift out, and you want to be very careful on the wires. All right, get her up just enough. Now you can see on the airbag, you got those little push tabs on each side, and you need to squeeze those and then release. So I'm going to start with this one here. That one there's pulled out. That one there's pulled out. And then I got to see how this one here is navigated. So that one there looks like it's got a little tiny little knob you're going to push in and then pull the wire out. And I'm going to test that theory right now. Yep, we got it. Very carefully remove the airbag, get it out of the way. And that's how you remove your airbag. Pretty quick and dirty. 5 minutes, you can have that out. And of course, the only time you really want to take this out is if you deployed your airbag, and then in that case, you need to replace a bunch of other parts as well, or if you're going to have to get access to the switches that are behind it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you in the next one. And also, check out my channel for lots more JK content. There's lots in the playlist already. By the time I'm finished with this thing, I'm going to have it all documented on how to fix pretty much everything on this.